Purchasing your first home in Murray is an exciting milestone, and along with it comes the opportunity and responsibility of making upgrades that improve comfort, efficiency, and style. One of the most valuable investments for first-time homeowners is new window installation. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or installing them for the first time in a new build, understanding the process, options, and benefits will help you make informed decisions. Why windows matter for first-time homeowners. Windows are more than just openings for light and fresh air. They affect your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In Murray's climate, with its cold winters and hot summers, quality windows help keep indoor temperatures stable, lower utility costs, and reduce outside noise. For a new homeowner, this means creating a more enjoyable living environment while also protecting your investment. Choosing the right window styles for Murray homes. Before installation, you'll need to decide on the window style that best fits your home's architecture and your lifestyle needs. Common options include double-hung windows, easy to clean and great for ventilation. Casement windows, hinged at the side, they open fully for maximum airflow. Bay and bow windows, create more interior space and bring in abundant natural light. Awning windows, perfect for rainy days, as they can be opened without letting water in. Picture windows, fixed glass panels that maximize views and light. The style you choose should complement your home's look while offering the functionality you want. Energy efficiency is key. Energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and cost savings. Look for double or triple pane glass, improves insulation. Low E coatings, reflect heat and UV rays. Argon or krypton gas fills, reduce heat transfer. Energy Star certification ensures your windows meet strict efficiency standards. For first-time homeowners, energy-efficient upgrades are a smart long-term investment, especially in Murray's variable climate. The installation process. What to expect. Professional installation ensures your windows perform as expected. Here's a step-by-step overview. Initial consultation. A window expert evaluates your needs, measures openings, and recommends styles and features. Product selection. You choose windows that match your budget, design preferences, and efficiency goals. Preparation. Old windows, if any, are removed carefully to avoid damage to your home's structure. Installation. New windows are fitted, leveled, and sealed to prevent drafts and leaks. Finishing touches. Trim, caulking, and cleanup complete the project. Final inspection. The installer checks for proper operation and ensures everything meets quality standards. Why professional installation matters. While DIY might seem tempting to save money, improper installation can lead to drafts, water damage, and poor energy efficiency. Professional installers bring the tools, skills, and experience to ensure a perfect fit, protecting your home and warranty coverage. Long-term maintenance tips. After installation, proper care will keep your windows looking and working their best. Clean glass and frames regularly. Lubricate hinges and tracks as needed. Inspect caulking and seals for wear. Address any issues, like condensation or sticking, promptly. Final thoughts. For first-time homeowners in Murray, window installation is a project that delivers both immediate and lasting benefits. By choosing the right styles, focusing on energy efficiency, and working with a skilled installer, you can enhance your home's comfort, beauty, and value.